unmasking the unknown. What are variables? In the world of mathematics, variables are like mysterious characters in a detective story. They are symbols, usually letters, that stand in for unknown values. Think of them as placeholders for numbers we haven't figured out yet. Let's say you see the equation x plus 5 equals 8. Here, x is our variable. It's like a box waiting for the right number to be placed inside. To solve for x, we need to find the number that, when added to 5, gives us 8. Variables are powerful tools because they let us work with quantities even when we don't know their exact values. This flexibility is what makes algebra so useful for solving problems. Variables in algebra, the building blocks of equations. Algebra is like a language, and variables are its words. They allow us to express mathematical relationships in the form of equations and formulas. By manipulating these equations, we can isolate variables and solve for their values. Consider the equation 2x plus 3 equals 11. Our goal is to find the value of x. To do this, we can think of the equation as a balanced scale. We need to perform the same operations on both sides to keep it balanced while isolating x. First, we subtract 3 from both sides, giving us 2x equals 8. Then, we divide both sides by 2, revealing that x equals 4. Variables help us break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable steps. Variables in statistics. Making sense of data. Statistics is all about collecting, organizing, and analyzing data. Variables play a crucial role in this process by representing the different characteristics or attributes we are interested in studying. Imagine we want to understand the average height of students in a school. Height would be our variable, and we would collect data by measuring the height of each student. We can then use statistical methods to calculate the average height, see how much the heights vary, and draw conclusions about the data. Variables in statistics can be either numerical, like height, weight, or age, or categorical, like gender, eye color, or favorite subject. Understanding the type of variable is crucial for choosing the right statistical tools to analyze the data effectively. Section 4. Decoding data relationships. Independent and dependent variables. In many studies, we're interested in understanding how one variable influences another. This is where the concepts of independent and dependent variables come in. Think of an experiment where we're testing the effect of a new fertilizer on plant growth. The amount of fertilizer we use is the independent variable because we control it. The height of the plants after a certain period is the dependent variable because it depends on the amount of fertilizer used. By carefully controlling the independent variable and observing changes in the dependent variable, we can begin to unravel cause and effect relationships. This understanding is essential in fields like medicine, engineering, and economics. Section 5. Variables in the real world. From physics to economics. The power of variables extends far beyond the classroom. They are fundamental tools in countless fields, helping us model and understand the world around us. In physics, variables like velocity, acceleration, and force are used to describe the motion of objects. Engineers use variables in equations to design bridges, buildings, and airplanes. Economists rely on variables to study economic growth, inflation, and market trends. Whether we realize it or not, variables are woven into the fabric of our daily lives. From calculating the cost of groceries to predicting the weather, variables are the silent partners in our decision-making processes. Section 6. The power of variables. A universal language. Variables are more than just letters or symbols in a mathematical equation. They are powerful tools that allow us to represent the unknown, explore relationships, and make sense of complex data. They are the building blocks of algebraic thinking and the key to unlocking deeper understanding in various fields. As we've seen, variables are essential in algebra, statistics, physics, engineering, economics, and countless other disciplines. They provide a universal language for describing patterns, testing hypotheses, and making predictions about the world around us. By mastering the concept of variables, we open doors to a deeper appreciation and comprehension of the intricate workings of our universe.